I don't see them, Leandro.
Dito naman ito movie.
Okay.
Nag-dismount lang sa malayo.
Okay. Yeah, careful.
Nag-usin na.
Kaya yung lumapit sa door mo na.
Yung food check OC. Yo, everyone, we're gonna boots up and fake, okay? Wait. Ready defenses also, okay? Hold. Wait. Yo, boots up and fake on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boots up and fake only. Yo, look at, get ready. Southwest on the gate, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest on the gate na. I come back fast. Yo, careful front. Yo, careful my death tanks. Careful my death tanks. You're outside for no reason at all. Gonna get so engaged on. Yo, ready? Walk up a bit. Ready defenses up front, walk up a bit. Yo, southwest shallow, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, southwest shallow now. Defense now, full defend now. Oh, they fake. We are ready defenses. Yo, come back inside. Yo, careful. Yo, help Alakart, come back. Heal Alakart up front, okay? Yo, hold on. Yo, you see west side outside? Yo, west side outside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side outside na. Alright, come back fast. Yo, ready defenses up front. Help my front come back. Defense shallow. Good. Just hold, boys. Nice bedrock. Yo, just hold, boys. Oof.
How many locals do you have? One?
I'm not sure. I think one only. How many percent's the gate? 60. Another blob bridge, okay. Get ready. Southwest. Wait. Yo, west side, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side now. Ready defenses. Yeah, I need my DPS to hit that shit, man. Defense now, full defend now. Full defense. Heal up. Yo, ready. Yo, southwest shallow. You're ready. West side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side shallow. Ready defenses. Yo, help my west side. Come artis. Yo, one eye on TC, please. Defense shallow. My death tank. Heal my death tank. Yo, why guys too deep? Heal front. Fast. Why guys coming outside there? Yeah, Kamartis. Masasag kalaban si,
Blood Mortis.
Masasag kalaban si Jackets kaysa dyan. TFT. Yeah, faster DPS, follow. Yeah, look at southeast, get ready.
Transport
Yeah, southeast shallow, get ready. Wait, come back. Yeah, one eye on TFT, Tell me what TFT is doing. Still bonking. I come back na twist. I come back southeast, walk southeast. Yo, southeast shallow, get ready. Southeast shallow, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast shallow. Only see left tanks. I come back fast. Yeah, ready, defense, help my front. Ready, come back inside, west. I come back northwest. Come back inside. Come back inside. Yo, can you fucking talk?
They're being flanked by
And then, they're not.
TFB, sir.
Yo, careful. Just careful. Just hold, okay? Oh, okay, where's TC now? Tell me where TC is.
First gate broken.
Okay. Yo, careful, careful west side. What are they engaging on? Butchoy. Come east side. Ready, ah. Yo, look at the gate east side, get ready. On the gate east side, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the gate east side now.
Uwi kami.
Yeah, come back fast. Yeah, come southwest. Where's PFT now? Are they clicking gate? Come, click it. Alright. Come, walk up. Ready defenses up front, okay? Careful front. Yo, careful. Yo, the jug is stacking, careful. How many percent to the gate? 21. Yo, come inside first. Come north, yo, careful over the wall, ah. Ready defenses, ah. That's not so, get ready, ah. Careful over the wall. Come middle, everyone. Yo, defense outside now. Helps outside. Okay. Yo, come middle. Just hold middle first. Okay. Yeah, help my people at the east side. Okay. So,
Hill Butchoy.
where's Butchoy? Yun yung Butchoy west side. Healers! Likod mo! Are you blind? Yo, careful. Yo, careful. Let them pass the choke, okay? Come west side, boys. Okay. Yo, hold northwest side. Bedrock lang ng TC sa, east side. Yo, careful over the wall southwest. Yo, Bam, too deep. Let them in the choke. I want them to funnel in the choke. Okay? Yo, Leandro, once they step up, you fake agad. Okay? Yo, careful. They're... Oh, hindi, Leandro. Come back pa.
1 minute chest.
Yeah, they're gonna funnel in soon, careful. Bedrock's in the front. Just bedrock them out of the choke first, okay? Just hold first, boys. Okay?
Second.
Yeah. Still. Yeah, they're gonna walk up soon. Careful front. Careful my death tanks up front. Yo, Maverick stepping up, Careful people at the west side. Yo, careful people at the west side. Ready defenses west side. Okay. Give me a fake now. Southeast. Hold on. Come back. Yo, come back. Okay. Yo, careful sa jug. Jug stacking, careful. Right on the chest, one. Okay, just chill. Yo, give me a fake again, Leandro. Yo, careful, jug stacking still, ah. Yo, Leandro, worry, give me a fake. Okay. Yo, careful. Yo, please na jug. Yo, defense now, full defend now. That's what I'm talking about. Yo, get ready, Southeast shallow, 5, 4, 3, 2, Southeast shallow now. Come back west side. What I'm talking about. Be careful.
If you go inside, you can sandwich both of them.
Yeah, I can see.
If you go out small door.
Let's go first. Yeah, come inside, boys. Bye na, come back. Yo, don't stay at the choke, dude. Death moves. Come back, okay? Walk southwest. Yo, everyone get ready. Yo, my DPS get ready. Come back north, come back north. They might engage over the wall, careful. Come back, come back. Come back any. Come east side here. Come back middle. Yo, be careful death knights. Careful over the wall. Yo, help, alakart. Kill alakart pa rin. Low yan. Yo, careful TFT stepping up Yo, death tanks, careful there at the choke. Yo, careful over the wall. Just hold.
Yung mga sa southwest wall, ma-engagean kayo dyan,
Yo, careful death tanks there at the choke, You don't need to stay at the choke. You can let them funnel in, okay? Yo, walk up. Southeast over the wall, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, southeast over the wall only. Come back fast. Hold on boys, okay? Wait lang. Yo, help my front here. Help southeast side. Okay, nobody's stepping up at all. Come back. Yeah, death tanks, you don't need to hold that choke. What the choke I'm talking about is here. It's this side. Let them in.
Listen, left tanks, the play here is we're baiting them to sandwich each other, man. Don't let let them have the opportunity to sandwich each other, man.
Yeah, I need scouts outside. What are they doing?
You're going out?
Boring naman.
Yeah, what's happening outside? Where's TFT now?
Oh, ingat kayo dyan, naka-dismount din sila.
Yo, come back. Come back.
Nag-walking up yung wrapping around yung Tiffany.
Are you sure? Wait lang. Do you have one eye on them? Okay. Ako come southeast now.
Dismounted pa rin tong yung TC, southeast.
Okay. Yo, run. Regroup on me. Yo, boys, regroup on me, everyone.
This is walking in.
Come back.
Patay.
Orat, dead.
Bogat ka.
Bobo, tayo na. Di ba sinabihan ka na?
Nagbabaka na ako biglang
Di ba support yung role mo? Diba?
Say sorry.
Come back, walk west side. Yo, careful front, help me front. Come back west side, everyone, come back west side. Cleanse my death camps. Yo, peel. Ready, defense shallow now. Okay, walk up a bit. Yo, shallow on the death camps only. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, shallow on this left tank inside. Kill this guy inside. Come back now. Come back.
Field flank them. Field flank them. Pressure them.
Did they flank? No, I think TFT zone
Yeah,
northeast.
look at the small blob. Small blob southeast.
Come northeast now. Walk
Yeah, they know.
Walk up now. Come back. Careful over the wall. Yo, southeast over the wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, southeast over the wall now. Nice.
Field sandwich them.
Okay, wait. Do it only. Come west side now.
You could give it.
Come east side now. What's TC doing? Come east side. Come south, okay? Yo, walk in to the choke. Give me a fake on the choke now. Nado. Oh, give me a fake on the choke, okay? Come back now. Come back north. Southeast on the choke only, shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, southeast on the choke, shallow only. Yo, come back now. Peel, left tank, peel. At my front. Peel. Come back northwest. Yo, Mavericks inside, spread. Keep walking west side. Keep coming west side, okay? Defense shallow now. Bobby pass you, defense. Heal up, yo, defenses, where are you? I don't see my demons. Okay, come west side more. Okay, keep going west, okay? Walk up east now. You lock E shallow, boys. So, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, E shallow now. Come back now. Yo, bedrock spill. Yo, help front.
Coming in from west.
Okay, come northeast. Yo, enter middle. Yo, careful southwest, ha? Careful southwest.
Wait, just please go sa southwest.
Help me front. Oh my god, careful na eh. Come back north.
Walang ditang sa west eh.
Oh, yung D-tanks ko, namatay din dalawa. Nag-funnel sila sa choke, imbes na mag-stop. Hold.
FD stepping in as a worker.
The walking back. Yo, southeast over the wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill Maverick here. Come back now.
Southwest, careful. Oh my god.
What's happening southwest?
Over the wall sila.
Pero walang matay.
Ang hamit pala ako kanina.
Yo, careful. Yeah, can I get a good perma engage sana? My perma's been missing all day.
Looking east side, northeast.
Up. Yo, look at me over the wall Wait. Come back. Don't let the jug stop.
TC stepping out a little. Oh, stepping in again.
Okay.
As a quarter din TC ah.
Wait.
Moving in na sa west side na, southwest mo na.
Yeah, ready defense. Full defend now. Oh my god, death tanks. Walk in. Give me a fake west side. Walk in boys, walk in. Yo, get ready, walk in. Everyone pop your pots now. West side deep, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on the cloud. Clap this. Nice. Spread now. The hold only. Spread. Rain defenses in the middle. Careful northeast. 2 clumps up there. Come southwest a bit. Careful on the stairs, okay? Ready defenses, ha? Spread defense now. Oh, okay. Just hold northwest side, boys. Hold northwest side, okay? Come west side more. Look south, wait, come east side. Look at east side on TFD. You ready? East side on TFD. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East side on TFD now, boys.
Stop.
Come back. Come back west side. Come back northwest. Okay, hold here. Careful. We're in the middle. Wait. Jug stacking. Spread more. Yo, death tanks, get ready to stop. Get ready to stop, enemy. Spread. Oh, dude. Careful.
Nagkalaro sa loob ng Zerg yung mga
Where's TC now? Still east side, okay. Yo, just hug the northwest side. The northwest wall, just hug. Hug northwest wall. Don't walk up east side, okay? Yo, 1 death tank sa south side, on the choke, okay? 1 death tank here on the east side, okay? Or like 2, 3, 4, I have a lot of death tanks, but for some reason, nobody looking at anything at all.
The chances of the Lord.
Yo, give me a fake east side, Leandro. Walk up east side, everyone. Yeah, walk up east side, everyone.
Ayun, so.
Yeah, find a crown. You ready, ah? North, by the chest only. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North side shallow. Nice. Come back. Yo, come back first, okay? Come back west side. Yo, jugs about engage, ah. Come back. Okay, careful. Yo, where's TC now? Still outside?
Yeah.
Okay, just hold, dude.
Careful over the wall, TC looking over the wall.
Walk east now. Yo, walk east now. Yo, walk east now.
Lord List.
Walk southeast. Yo, follow me, boys. Follow me. My DPS, follow me.
Another door outside? Is that?
Oh, you see.
That's UC.
Oh,
Yo, come to me.
the whole world.
Yo, come southside now.
Upcast.
Mantap first, mantap. Come northwest.
TFD full running mounting up also.
Level 26, upper class.
Level
All this
26.
running, all this running.
Come south. Come out. Get out. Come out.